today for maths, we are going to look at adding and subtracting fractions, okay? So, first of all, let's have a look at this question. It says 3/5 add 1/5. Now, Rose here says that's easy. That 3 plus 1 is 4, and that 5 plus 5 is 10. So the answer must be 4/10, okay? Do you think she is right? You are right, she's not correct, okay? When we are adding fractions, we have to remember that the bottom number here, this is our denominator, okay? So I'm going to write here, denominator. And our denominator tells us the size of our pieces. It's like having a measurement, okay? And we can't change it. Okay, so if I was to look at 3/5 add 1/5, here I've got two bar models, both split into fifths, and here I have got 3/5, and on this side I have got 1/5. If I was to cross that off this side and to add it over, I'm going to add it and I'm going to move it to this one here and call this one in here. You can clearly see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 fifths. Okay, so Rose is definitely wrong on this one. Right, let's move on then. So, having a think about that then, think about what Rose said, okay? She was trying to add the 5th, the 5 and the 5 together to give a 10 at the bottom, to give something different. But to do that in context, like if we had 3 pennies, add 1 penny, and now then say that would equal £4, we know that wouldn't be right because our end number here hasn't got pennies on it. Okay, so we know that what we put as our unit of measure here has to be the same. So just like in fractions, our unit of measure must be the same at the end. Okay, it must equal 5. That's our unit of measure. Just like measuring centimetres or metres, it has to stay the same. Okay, so question here for us. Eva eats 3/12 of the donuts. And Mia eats 4/12 of the donuts. What fraction do they eat all together? So now we've got a whole box here. So now we're thinking about this box being our whole, okay? And inside that box, we have got 12 twelfths, okay? Each donut equaling 1/12. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so if Eva eats 3/12, I'm going to write 3/12 here underneath. And if Amir, so we're going to add to that, okay, to Amir's 4/12 of donuts that he's ate. So if he's ate 4, she's ate 3. So altogether, they've actually ate 7 donuts, okay? But out of the fraction, it's 7/12 because they've ate 7 out of the 12 donuts. And actually left then, we've got 3/12 left of our whole packet of donuts. Okay, so I'm going to have a go now then at adding these fractions together. So pause the video here, have a go at them, and then when you are ready, come back and we will have a look at your learning. Okay, well done guys. Okay, so let's go on to look at our answers then. So 3 sevenths add 2 sevenths. So I've got 3 coloured in. 1, 2, 3. And I'm adding 2 to it. 1, 2. Which means I have got 5 sevenths altogether. Okay, on this one here, I've got a missing number. So 3 add something makes 7. It's 3 add 4. On this one here, we've got now 3 numbers. So 3 add 1 add 3. So 3 add 3 is 6, add 1 is 7. So we've got 7/5. If you have converted it, you could have wrote 1 whole and 2/5 too. Well done if you've done that. Okay, and here now, we've got 1 whole and 1/6, and we've got a missing fraction here. So I know that 1 here cancels out this 1 whole here, so I'm going to tap left here. So now I've got 1 whole left, which actually equals 6/6. So 3 add something makes 6, it's 3 add 3. Okay, well done guys, let's move on now to the next task. So this time, Amir has 3/5 of a roll of ribbon. He cuts 2/5 of the roll off. What fraction of the roll does he have left? So we've now got here a bar model again, okay? And he has got 3/5 of that ribbon. Okay, he's got 3 fifths of the roll. He then cuts off 2 pieces, which actually leaves him with left only 1/5 of the roll left. Okay, this time Ron has 1 whole and 1/6 litres of water. He drinks 5/6 of the bottle. So what fraction of the bottle is left? So we know that 1 whole is 6/6 and it's got 1/6 here. So now I need to take away the 5/6. Okay, so I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which leaves me left with 2/6. Okay, this time then I want you to have a go at this one for me. So it says 5/8 of people in the crowd at a concert are children. Okay, so that's here for us. Out of those 5/8, 3/8 are boys. So what fraction are girls? Okay, can you work it out? Have a look here. What fraction then are girls? Out of that 5/8, if 3/8 are boys, that are left are girls. Well done, you should have got 2/8 because 2 plus 3 equals 5, which actually means 3/8 are adults in the audience. Okay. Okay, this time we have got a balancing question, okay? Now remember that an equal sign is to balance. It means that this side must answer the same as this side. So I've got my answer here, I can work it out. I've got 3 add 2, which equals 5/7. So this side must also equal 5/7. So 6 take away something makes 5. Take away 1 makes 5. Okay, today then for your White Rose Maths learning, you have got questions numbers 1 to 3. And for gold, you've got questions 4 to 5 and platinum 5 to 7. So please make sure if you're doing just gold, you're doing 4 to 5. But if you're just doing platinum, you do 5 to 7. Okay. There are also extra learning for you as well to help you with maths at the moment. On our website, if you go into our maths area, you will be able to see that I have now put on Class Integrals for Kids. And on there you will see the BBC Home Learning Help page. There's tutorials and interactive activities. If you do get stuck, you can go and have a look at those too to help you. Remember to send your learning through to us, okay, via email, okay? Well done guys, and I'll speak to you soon.